I couldn't believe what I was seeing. How could this be?
Because there's a new gang in town.
We also have an interview with Tom and Katie Holmes.
And we want to set the record straight that we are very much together without any clones.
What's up, Cubes? Mike and Mel here from the Jerky Tube at the San Francisco Lebowski Fest. Don't stop believing, baby. Don't stop believing.
Never stop believing in the dude, baby.
Dude abides. So here we are. We're having a great time. We're going to go get a couple of White Russians and go around, interview the fans, find some of their favorite lines, see if they suck at bowling or not.
Fantastic costumes.
I think we're in for a treat.
I think we're gonna rock and roll.
You guys ready? Are you ready? Let's boogie.
Join us, baby.
So how's the smut business, Jackie?
Pretty good. It's all digital now.
Fantastic.
That's the way it's going.
Yeah.
Mike prefers to jerk off manually.
Trophy, please? I think everyone does.
Yeah.
It's a lot cheaper.
Yeah, totally. I don't even know how you do it otherwise.
Third place.
Maybe I'm uncreative.
46.
Dude, her life is in your hands. How do you feel about that responsibility?
David,
It's not my
there you are.
responsibility. Her life is in
Nicely
your
done.
hands.
Number
So,
two.
yeah.
And I'm gonna say screw her.
Fantastic.
I don't want to go to Vegas and get her.
Number
She's
one.
cold bricking.
First place.
I'm with you.
Evan.
I'm with you.
This is the best, man. I always dress like I wanted out of the house. You gotta get Brant. Come on now.
No, I do not mind being on camera.
Now, are you feeling nervous tonight, Brant?
Well, I was blessed with a college education, so I feel comfortable.
That's great. That's good. That's good.
Do you think you're gonna work for Mr. Lebowski for the rest of your life?
Well, why wouldn't I? He's an accomplished man, a man who has shown his dominance, and I would be honored to serve.
Could you do the door opening bow for us, Brant? Because you were efficient at that.
Costume by audience response goes to Brent.
Oh, the door closing now. Brant! Yeah! Nice. Brant deserves that shit.
Way to go, Brant. Big winner, big winner, big winner.
That's good shit.
We gotta get the medieval sod guy.
You know what though? But let's get up there and get the winners. Let's go get the winners.
Is Best Mod. Best Mod. By audience response, Best Mod goes to Jesse. Where are you at, Jesse? Come on up here.
Vagina.
Vagina, ladies and gentlemen, yes. Where would we be without her? Come on on stage. Let's hear from the Best Walter, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause.
Anything else rolling out of here naked?
You ain't rolling out of here naked. Nicely done, Ira. Head on down to lane 29, see Tom for the bowl-off. And Best Jesus goes to George, ladies and gentlemen. George Jesus, come on up here. Yes, man, come on stage. Address your public.
Do the move!
Let me tell you something, Bentejo. Pulling your crazy shit with me, I take it away from you, stick it up your ass, and pull that fucking trigger till it goes click.
Head on down to lane 29. I hear that creep can roll. Let's see if he can roll. Best dude, ladies and gentlemen, goes to Dave. Come on up here, Dave. Let's hear it for the dude, ladies and gentlemen. All the dudes in the house, give yourself a big round of applause. All the Moes, all the Walters, all the Jesuses. Everybody came out tonight. Thanks very much for coming out. Give it up for